Hello, today I will show you how to open the device and what are the options for upgrading. First, it is necessary to unscrew 11 screws as in the video. Carefully remove the bottom cover of the device, under which is motherboard. You can find additional details of the device in the video description. Battery type. The memory is soldered to the motherboard and cannot be upgraded. The device can be upgraded with one M.2 SSD drive. SSD drive. I hope the video helped you. You can subscribe for free for new videos.